Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the Moveta brand 21V cordless drill set. We're going to open it up, show you all the parts and pieces, demonstrate it, try it out, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
So there's a lot I want to cover on this. First of all, I love that it has its own little carrying case. As we open this up, great little screwdriver set, starter set for a college kid, for example. In between this, it did kind of rattle around, so just be careful when you open it first. Just gonna put everything back where it kind of needs to be. Important things to note: 2 batteries, battery charger, drill, little hammer. So a great introductory set for a lot of people. Again, I'm going to keep that closed as we store it. But note that it does kind of have a little bit of a looseness there. So the drill itself looks pretty sweet. It's got this kind of, show you all the parts and pieces. Obviously we need to get a battery in there, but it looks pretty solid to start. Show you how the battery connects. Pretty standard stuff. Just click in, remove here. All right, so comes charged up, pretty good to go. Nice little level here. I don't know if you can see that or not. The little level. So simple drill, all the basic functionalities. Read your instruction manual. Battery charger, pretty lightweight. Power plug. All right, so drill specific, let's cover a couple things. Obviously, when you get your piece in, we're going to have a 25 point torque setting, and then a 1 and a 2. Hopefully, you can see is going to be your low and your high gears. Great grip, handle, forward, reverse, all that stuff. So as we put that stuff back in, I do want to show you that, again, to move battery, this will all fold up pretty nicely and stay in position very nicely. But you may need to, and I haven't done this yet, take that off to close. No, you do not. So let's walk you through the top here, because there's a lot of good stuff. I'm not going to go over all the different pieces, but there is a saw there, if you can't tell, PVC knife, all kinds of little adjusters, drills. We're going to test out tape measure, anchors, screwdrivers. As mentioned, just a really great starter set. Little knife there for anybody that's going to be kind of working in this, great college kid set, kids, stuff like that. So I'm going to take a couple of these drill bits out, drill a couple of holes just to demonstrate the power of this thing. But I want to get it charged up because I'm not sure if it was fully charged or not. So as mentioned, it's great to have 2 batteries. I think that's a really nice function. And so we're going to get it charged up and go from there. All right, so this is pretty standard stuff, but just in case you don't know, you're literally just gonna slide that in and tighten up a little bit with your hands, and you'll actually hear this thing click into place a little bit, but you can hold it to really just make sure it does it. And all I'm gonna work on is, I'm gonna try and drill a hole here, just kind of demonstrate, trying to run some line here through this, but So as you can see, it does a really, let me try and shrink this down here. Nice job of getting through. There you go. Probably clean it up a little bit on the other side, but really nice hole. The whole idea being that it does a nice job. You might want to adjust your torque, might need to adjust your speed, as I did there, just to kind of show you the different capabilities. But overall, this thing is pretty sweet. If you're not looking to spend, you know, for one of the big name brands, this is definitely a great solution. Totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helps. Thanks for watching.